Now I am again examining the same approach, and this data set I have already shared with you. The happiness is one of the test that we developed. उसका patent भी हमने कराया है, but this is dummy data that I am sharing with you, or you can say the try out का data है, pilot study का data that I am sharing with you. The patent data that I cannot share. So if you go back to the data set, I'm sharing this in the Excel. It always try to enter your data into the Excel. However, you can enter your data in SPSS directly, but I suggest to enter your data into the Excel. Now see my data into the Excel. The first row in the Excel will be the names of the variable. Number of settings में मैंने देखा है the girls used to design these rows in such a fashion कि सारी research वो यहीं पे लगा देंगे. Name of the construct, then subconstruct, then items. No, directly you can use only the first row as the variable name. You need to be very specific. The basic information about the subject, age, gender, occupation, religion, and these are the responses on a 5-point scale for each item. Now it has 21 items, happiness के लिए, and it has 405 data set in my case, 405 on a 5-point scale. So I am going to examine the reliability of this scale. देखिए इस केस में आप देखेंगे सेम एक्सरसाइज हम करने जा रहे हैं. You go to the SPSS. Now I will close this, open or import. You can use any of the option. If I go to the open data, then go to the your folder where the data exists. Data. Now see, there is no Excel file. Why it is so? File type has been selected as .sav. So click this and select the Excel file. When you select the Excel file, then Excel file is visible to you. Open. Now certain criteria to open the file. Actually in the worksheet, there are number of subsheets also. So it is very smart. It is asking you that you are interested to read the data from this sheet. Fortunately, we are having one sheet only, so my data is there. Now see, read variable names from the first row of the data. जो मैंने आपसे बोला था, the first row of the data has been reserved for the variable name. If you are not using it, if you are not reserving it, then the first row will be treated as the variable name and you are going to lose one data set. Rest, leave. Okay. Now see, your data has been transferred into the SPSS. Variable names, and if you see the number of cases, you are having 405 cases. Okay. One more point, friends, in social science, I have seen you never used to give the ID number as the primary key. हमेशा make it a practice. For example, if you are having 3 or 4 variables in your research, after getting the questionnaires or scales filled in from the participants, staple all together and give ID number. Let's start from 1 to n. So at any point of time, if there is some problem in the data set, or any entity or UGC asks, give me the data of such and such respondent, so you will be able to do this. Okay, now we are starting from the screening. First we will start the screening of the data set. To screening, we will go to the analyze, descriptives and frequencies, and select HP1 to HP21. Okay, and we will go for the minimum and maximum. Continue, unmark frequency, and okay. Now see, item number 355. During the typing, the person has typed 55 in place of 5. So this is the problem. You need to correct this data. HP8 in place of, you can say, the 2, the person has typed as 22. So this is item number 8. Item number 8. Then see, item number 15 also. Write on a piece of paper. And item number 18 also. Then item number 18 also, and so on. So the 4 items you are having some problem. Again, go back to the data and you will start item number 3. Go to the data and sort cases. Go to the item number 3 and descending order sort kariye and okay. Now see this सब्जेक्ट नंबर 390 का जब डेटा आप एंटर कर रहे थे तो यू टाइप 55, do it 5. Similarly, go to the item number 8. If you go to the item number 8, again go to the sort, remove this and go to the item number 8. Descending order and item number 8. Now see 22. Type it 2. Again go to the sort cases, item number 15. This is the data with you. You can have the hands-on practice all together. Say 2. Then again you go to the item number 18. Descending order and go to the item number 18 and 5. Fine. Save this data. Okay. Again check the frequency. Now see, the range for each item is 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, all done. All done. One of the interesting cases, now see, some of the values are missing. Leave them. You are having sufficient data set. 403 का data set आपका complete data set है. Otherwise ये missing values को भी आप देख सकते हैं. How to see the missing values? If you go to the, again go to the sort cases, reset and select the item number 1 and sort in ascending order, increasing order. Okay, and go to the this. Now see the item number 1. Now see, these are the missing values. अब देखिए इस ये पूरा डेटा सेट आपका मिसिंग है. You can delete these. राइट क्लिक करिए, क्लियर कर दीजिए. इन दोनों डेटा सेट को आप डिलीट कर दीजिए. और यू कैन रिप्लेस. If you are going to replace, then you are manipulating the data set, or it is permissible. You can replace by the median value. In this case, मैंने data file को save कर दिया. So this is the data file that finally I am going to analyze or use for the. Now see, 403 का data set है, 402, 403 का data set, and so on. Okay, leave aside. I have a nice size of the sample size. Okay. Now, friends, going to the reliability analysis quickly. So you will go to the scale and check the reliability and select the items HP1 to H21, and we will continue with alpha. Okay. Now see the reliability coefficient in this case to examine the happiness, joy, feeling of pleasure. It is 0.637. It is not acceptable. Now, how you can improve it without manipulating the data, that you will see in the different picture in this case. यहाँ से आगे knowledge हमारे पास नहीं होती है, तो we never used to bother. Oh, sorry, my reliability is very poor. What to do? Having the reliability of 0.64, you cannot go for your research or submission of the thesis. Okay, friends. So this analysis is based on 401 valid cases and 21 items in your test. Okay, again go to the reliability and check these statistics: item, scale, and scale. If only these three statistics. Okay and okay. Now see, हर आइटम की देखिए मीन, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन एंड एन. A good decision can be taken on the basis of these values also. A statistician can take a decision which item is giving problem in this test. But I'm not pushing you in a very troublesome approach of examining the validity of an item. Now see, we will work on this table only. This is a very important table. Friends, happiness, happiness is a positive construct. So this is item discrimination index, corrected item total correlation. See, item number 2 is negatively correlated. For the positive construct, it is suggested you should not have a negatively behaving item in your test. If you delete item number 2, your reliability will be 0.67. Earlier it was 0.64. इसी तरह से देखिए, item number 5, if you delete this, it will be 0.68. इसी तरह से you see item number 14, it will be 68. Item number 17, it will be 68. So address these 4 items, write on a piece of paper HP2. You are having 5, then 14, then 17. Friends, it is suggested not to delete all 4 items in one attempt. Kyun? When you are deleting one item, the item total will be changed. So there is all the possibility if one item is giving problem, after change in item total, there may be a possibility that its direction may be changed. So you will delete one by one. Okay, again go back to the reliability and you will delete item number 2, HP2. आपने delete किया, okay कर दिया. Now see, the overall reliability is 0.67. Now see, within 5 minutes we are improving the reliability to acceptable range. जो knowledge मैं आपको transfer करना चाहता हूँ. मैंने बहुत देखा है, number of scholars are crying to any extent. सर क्या करें? हर 10 मिनट पे 20 मिनट पे एक स्कॉलर खड़ा है अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में. सर, our guide, our researcher, research supervisor has limitation. Please. Okay, now see, after deleting one item, this reliability is based on 20 items. It is 0.67. Now again go to this table HP5. Friends, if you delete this item, the reliability coefficient will be 0.71. Earlier क्या था? 0.67 और 68 के आसपास ही गेन था. ऐसे ही इसमें देखिए, one more item, 0.71. So we will continue with the 5 item number. We will delete item number 5. Okay, go to the item number 5 and delete it. Now see, the overall reliability is 0.71 now, based on 19 items. Now again go to this table. No negative, no negative, no negative. Friends, coming to the 14. If you delete this item, it will be 0.76. Here also 0.76. So we will now delete item number 14. Go to the reliability, delete item number 14 and see. Now see, the overall reliability based on 18 items is 0.76. Again, go to the same table. Friends, item number 17, if you delete this item, your reliability will be 0.81. You will be crying with full of emotions. Yes, I got it. Within 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, इस तरह से डेटा के साथ, नंबर के साथ खेलना सीखिए. Okay, again back to this part of the discussion. We are having item number 17. Now see, the overall reliability is 0.81 and see, now all items are having around 0.80, 0.80, 0.80, and there is no negative coefficient in this part of the column. And see, all statistics, the mean almost equal in all cases. So now it is the case that we can say the reliability can be measured on the basis of 17 scales. Any question? अब यहाँ पे बताइए जो भी this part I have addressed it. Very interesting knowledge, friends. What is your opinion? Please react. Is it exciting or not?
Sir, it is very good to know that we can improve reliability just with the click of a mouse. And
just
thank you, sir.
5 minutes. Rupali ji, just 5 minutes. You will love to it. मैंने देखा है number of failures. 3 साल minimum PhD का duration है. 6 years, 7 years. The participants or students are being crushed to the extent कि क्या करें.
Sir, but I have one question. How many statements we are going to continue delete it, or if the reliability is going on, because in every construct we are going to take at least 3 items.
So 3 is one of the suggestion, but you need to go 4 to 6 for each subconstruct. But my point is that why 4 to 6? You can have 7 or 8. But
Sir,
never allowed to go for 5 or 6 subconstruct. If number of subconstructs are high, in case of one of my senior professor, he developed a test on quality of work life. It was a test having 51 items and 19 dimensions or 19 subconstructs of quality of work life. What nonsense. Can you justify 19 subconstructs out of 51 items?
No, sir.
ये बेमानी है. अभी जो मैं कल से आज सारी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ वो इसीलिए कर रहा हूँ. We need to sensitize each and every stage. अगर फिक्र और आपकी अप्रोच शुरू से रहेगी तो इस पॉइंट तक आते आते there is all the possibility you will have a nice statistics. At any point of time, if you observed if one of the very important subconstruct is missing, then why you bothered about this key? No, it is one of the important construct, it is missing. No, you need not to bother. It is research. You justify in your research, my test has been developed on such and such population, and this subconstruct is not important in their case, since you are supporting this result on the basis of data. जैसे कल मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया था कि मैस्लो पोर्टर्स नीड सेटिस्फैक्शन, इट हैज ए 5 डायमेंशंस: फिजियोलॉजिकल, safety, belongingness, esteem, and self-actualization. When I adapted this scale on rail engine drivers for my PhD work, you will surprise that there was no need of self-actualization. And I renamed the dimensions for the need satisfaction. And one of the dimension emerged as compensation. If compensation is there, the driver's need will be very high, highly satisfied, and they will be motivated. If there is an accident, he is the first to die. तो उसको compensation चाहिए. Rupali, you will surprise that I developed, I adapted, and I published this research saying Khan's hierarchy of need satisfaction for loco pilots. Scopus Journal में मैंने Scopus Journal में इसको publish किया, research gate पे इसका अच्छा खासा score है. So my point is that if you are sound enough in your approach, never try to bother. Person X क्या कहेगा, person Y क्या कहेगा. If you are making a difference, लोग तो कहेंगे ही, लोगों का तो काम ही है कहना. But you need to be sound enough. बताइए, और कुछ बोल रही थी आप तो पहले?
Sir, if I happen to take few more constructs, supposingly if they are very important from the theoretical point of view, from the review of literature, how to entice the interest of the readers so that they can fill my questionnaire and remain intact, so that my results will fruitful.
Actually, after going through the statements, it will never be clear to the respondent. They are not having so knowledge. If this item is belong to such construct Y, construct Z, and so on. So you need not to bother about the respondent, but you need to bother about the research advisory committee or your guide or different forum at the university level. If this is the theoretical model, but you are coming out of in a different way about this model, that you need to justify. How to justify? This test has been adapted, standardized on such and such population. And this factor did not emerge significant in case of such and such population. और you will surprise that कि आपको जवाब मिलेगा अपनी रिसर्च में. Yes, जैसे मैंने बताया कि सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन नाम की चीज कोई है ही नहीं ड्राइवर्स के केस में, और वो पब्लिश हुआ. तो इस तरह से आप अपनी बात को हाउ यू कैन, आप इसी केस में देखेंगे हैप्पीनेस का, जब मैं वैलिडिटी वाला केस आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा, देन यू विल लुक इनटू इट. आपके सवाल को मैं एंटिसिपेट कर रहा था, दैट्स व्हाट आई टुक दिस डेटा सेट. ओके, हम आगे बढ़े. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? लेट मी एक्चुअली we have 45 minutes. I want to finish one more session. So
excuse me, sir.
जी आरती जी बताएं.
Sir, if I perform pilot study, after pilot study, can I use item analysis to remove some items?
Yes, definitely. The tryout, in my talk number of times I use tryout. It is very important exercise. Some of the items at that point of time you may like to delete or revise. So this is a very important exercise. But
Sir,
but it is on the basis of a small sample. After doing this exercise, you need a larger sample, say 250 or 300 data set, at least for the final tryout. वहां पर
Yes.
भी if you find कि one of the item is misbehaving, then you can delete it. You need to delete it. जैसा आपने देखा होगा, बोलिए।
Sir, if I'm taking a standardized scale, suppose emotional intelligence है, उसकी 33 statements हैं.
हाँ।
So if I conduct a pilot study on using those 33 statements, and I find that I can reduce these statements to 7 or 8 using this test analysis, item analysis.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
You cannot do this exercise at that point of time. This is adaptation exercise. Then you need to go for CFA. A number of model fit statistics or estimates must guide you कि this item is misbehaving. It is universally accepted statistical technique to examine the psychometric properties of the developed test or published test. CFA, confirm. देखिए उसका word ये confirm, confirmatory factor analysis. It is confirming the factors already suggested by the publisher. जो फैक्टर कंफर्म नहीं हो रहा है उसकी स्टैटिस्टिक्स आपको गाइड करेगी. यू विल लुक इनटू इट. मेरा डिस्कशन का पार्ट है ये, मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूंगा अगर वक्त आपका अलाउ किया. वी हैव द लास्ट डे टुडे, so can we move ahead? We are having the similar questions we can address in forthcoming.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.